friends. Have you ever thought of giving a useful gift to your loved ones? Then this video is for you. Yes, I'm going to explore the spiral art kit and how useful it is. So let's start. Wow, it's a nice package. It shows for 8+ years, and it's a birthday gift, a perfect birthday gift for 8+ years. Wow, the package is very nice, and the first set includes multicolored pins, spiral stencils and more. So let's open. Wow, it's very nice gift product to give to your loved one. This package includes a spiral art manual book. Wow. What does this contains? Yeah, it consists of contents and like some spiral drawings. Wow, they are teaching us to how to draw a butterfly, octopus, a pretty peacock, yeah, very nice, and dragon, everything. I think your loved ones will be very much excited by drawing these small items with the proper drawing skills and spiral set. It will be very good for them to practice the spiral art in the early stages. They will be enjoying. Wow, this is amazing. So you can develop some artistic skills for your loved ones by using this. Wow, it's really nice. So they gave more ideas about the spiral activities. We can just follow in the initial stages. Then we have to try new things with our own mindset. Then this package also contains an 40 sheets artist quality paper and cardstock. You can open it now. So there is one image, and use your spiral tools to give him an epic beard. Oh, okay, we have to draw a beard for this picture. So some activities are given in this workbook. Other than this, all of the pages are empty. But for your improving craft work, they are giving some craft papers with color papers. So you can use the craft papers for different creativity ideas. Wow, this is a spiral book. So we can't take it, I think it is attached. Oh, this is the spiral kit which they offered. I'm just opening it, but the whole gift set is looking amazing. This is a perfect gift we can actually give to our loved ones at the early stages. Wow. What all they gave in the spiral set, we want to know about that. One multicolored pin. This pin has like a 1, 2, 3. One multicolored pin they offer. This pin has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 color. So we can actually use 5 color pins. You can use whatever color you want. You can use the same color. Next one is a spiral kit. So for trying, we have to we have to use like this. Like we have to place the square one, and then we have to place the circle one. So let's try some spirals. After that, first we have to explore the things. In circle they have given, and some leaf kind of things to draw the leaves and patterns, like leafy patterns. This one is like a kind of triangle, kind of, and with a lot of shapes, small shapes we can go through, because the kids won't be draw properly, no? So by this we can introduce the exact shapes. These are the spirals which they offer. This is the glue which they offer to stick something. So they offered a spiral kit with the manual how to do it, and the book, and the color pin, like a 5 color pin, and also patterns, all the patterns, and one glue. So this is what they offer. So let's try some spiral patterns which is in the manual. Wow, an amazing gift. So these are the spirals which we made right now, just to show how things are working. So after making some good spiral drawing, we will show you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, The Parents Guide. Thank you.